Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We've got some news here at Little Green Workshops, and that is we are going to stop teaching face-to-face workshops. Now this is due to a few things, mainly because of the business growth of our online store. It has, it's doubled every financial year for the last 6 years. So we are having trouble even scheduling face-to-face workshops. Also, because of COVID-19, it's probably pretty important not to get so close to people and catch that horrible disease. So what we've decided to do is we're going to post more videos on Little Green Workshops channel, tutorial style, and showing people how to use the kits and supplies that they can buy from Little Green Workshops. Also, we're planning to do some online courses. We already have some online courses up on the internet, and it is the Cheese Making Beginners course that I personally call the Curd Nerd Academy, and there will be links in the description below for that course. Of course, there are, no pun intended, many kits that we have with comprehensive instructions. Not only cheese making kits, but soap making kits, candle supplies, candle kits, bath and beauty kits, and some brewing kits. Like I said, all have colour booklets and comprehensive instructions. So if you're really in the need for cheese making tutorials, you can pop over to my cheese making YouTube channel, which is simply called Gavin Webber, or you can go to the URL cheeseman.tv and that'll take you to the YouTube channel as well. I post many cheese making tutorials over there on a weekly basis, and also if you've got any cheese making questions for any of the kits that you buy from us, then you can watch Ask the Cheese Man, which we usually schedule weekly. It's a live stream and you can ask questions in the chat. Now, some other news that we've got is that Kim and I built a studio in our backyard to help facilitate this transfer from face-to-face workshops to video tutorials and video courses. Now, you can check out the building of the studio if you really want to. I'll put it in the link below, but here's a short tour of the new studio just before we started putting a lot of furniture in it. So on day 95, we had kind of moved in, put the cheesy chair of wisdom, as you just see on the side door there, a little dog basket for the doggos. We have a nice little tea and coffee area, a little fridge. The fridge doubles as storage for rennet and calcium chloride, that sort of stuff for cheese making. We'll also have some racks in the main room as well, just for kits and stuff that we purchase from suppliers. And there's the fully decked out stocking table with the scale that's accredited to the Australian standards of weight, and we've got a freezer for cultures and some boxes that need to be unpacked there, as you can see. We've got a locker system there for some more storage as well. And we've got a PC, and the PC and the printer there. I use the PC for editing. In fact, I'm editing this video on that PC. So not quite finished yet, still a bit of stuff there to put away. We've got a central island which will have wheels. We'll be able to move that around and use that for soap and candle and bath bomb making videos that we plan to do. And after a hard day's work, we can sit in the cheesy chair of wisdom. So it's a great space to work in. The storeroom is now fully stocked with all the stuff that we need, plus my video editing setup is all set up and ready to go, and I've been editing videos on it for about a month now. We've also got our kitchen put in. We don't have a sink at the moment, but we do have a lot of great space in which to work and film these tutorials. Now, if you have any suggestions for tutorials that you'd like to see on the channel, then please feel free to leave a comment below with your suggestion. We'll take them all into consideration. Not only is it going to help us, but it's also going to help you learn the things that you want to learn from the kits and supplies that you purchase from us. Not only that, it's going to be a great resource, and there are already lots of video tutorials on this channel that you can go and check out, from soap to candle making to cheese making, to name a few. Well, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video tutorial, which will be out very soon. I'm planning to schedule them on a weekly basis. For now, see you later.